think of building, you probably think of stacking bricks, right? Those are made from stuff we have on Earth. Simply put them on a truck, move them to the building site and build. But to build on the moon, you'd need to move all the bricks with a rocket. And moving all the bricks for an entire house is probably going to take much more than one trip. So instead of bricks, we have to think smaller, lighter, and well, perhaps even inflatable. Why not? That's already going to save a lot of rocket trips. Let's even take a step further. Just like we use bricks from Earth to build on Earth, can we use something from the moon to build on the moon? Well, it is possible to 3D print with lunar soil. With a giant printer, you can print a kind of wall. Then we'd only need to bring a few parts of the moon house from Earth and 3D print the rest. Perhaps we could even bring everything in just one trip. Living on the moon is a tricky business, though. Watch here for how strong your house needs to be.